All right, today we're going to replace the battery in the smoke detector. When your smoke detector starts making noise, you hear chip, 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 chip. Then it's time to replace that battery. And it's a 9 volts battery, has a positive and a negative terminal. All you have to do is to put your thumb here and slide this compartment open. And then you fit your hand behind the old battery and slide it out. Note how the batteries are lined inside the compartment. But if you forget, the indication is in there showing which side is positive and which side is negative. This battery has two terminals, positive and negative, and it's a 9 volts battery. And so this is an old battery. We're going to replace it with the new battery. And so the same alignment, and you fit it in the compartment and just push it into place. It snaps in. And then you'll close the compartment and you're done. Now, remember, this old battery still has some juice in it, some power in it. So when you take the old battery out, get an electrical tape and seal the terminals of this battery. If you don't, it's been known to cause fires. The terminals can connect. If you put a coin over it, it connects each other and power flows through it and it can cause fire. So when you take the old one off, put a tape on it. Also, if you don't put a tape on it, the next time you're not going to know which one is the old one that you already used and which one is the new one. So for those two reasons, remember to put a tape on the old battery and then you're done.